Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Deepak Kumar, co-founder of Tradeachievers. In this video, we are going to look about how not to trade in the market. So the new era has begun. Many people are entering into the trade. We have 12 months to go. So I'm going to discuss about all the things, how not to trade in the market, what we should not do in the market. So the first thing is, when you trade, don't trade according to your intuitions. Intuition means something that tells inside of you. Don't trade according to that thing. If it tells you to buy, don't go and buy in the market. Or if it tells you to go and sell, don't sell in the market. It is a very, let me tell you, it is a very bad habit in the market. Always when you buy or sell in the market, go according to what the market tells you to do. If the market tells you to buy, go for buy. Research the market, analyze the market. After the market gives you a confirmation, go for that thing. If the market tells you to go for sell, analyze the market and do all the other stuffs. If the market tells you to go for sell, then go for sell. Don't go or don't trade according to the intuitions or what they think that tells you inside you. Let me tell you something. If the thing that tells you inside you to go for buy, keep it inside. Don't bring it outside. It is my advice for you. So don't trade according to your intuitions. Trade according to the facts. Trade according to the knowledge. Yes, in all things, gain wisdom and knowledge. Knowledge is the best thing to gain. So research the market, gain some knowledge, and after gaining the market, go for trading in the market. This is the first thing. And the second thing is, don't trade without placing stop loss. Stop loss is a very important thing. Many people don't know the value of the stop loss. Many people don't keep the stop loss. They wait. If the market comes down, I will close it. They will wait. They will wait for 10 points and their mind will get changed and they will say, I will wait for another 10 points. And it will come another 10 points. We will say, okay, we will wait for another 10 points. As you will wait, and in the end, the market will come very low and this our account will be washed out. So if you're going for a trade, it may be a buy or sell, it may be anything, go for every trade, put some stop loss. Stop loss is very important. Let me tell you something. If you go for a bike ride, always put on your helmet. As much as the helmet is important to you, same stop loss is important to every trade you take in the market. If you are going for a ride in a car, put on a seat belt. As much as that is important, the stop loss is important in the market. Stop loss is a seat belt. Stop loss is a helmet for the trading. So if you go for buy or sell in the market, always try to put your stop loss. It is very important. And the third thing, don't trade without a proper money management. Many people don't know how to manage the hard earned cash. They think market is a gambling. They don't think market as a business. They think market as a gambling. They go for buy and sell. They do all these other stuffs and they lose in the market. Have a proper knowledge about the money management. Let me tell you something. There is a rule called 50, 30 and 20. We use this rule for all the salary person and all the other stuffs. If you go for a salary, if you earn, let me say, if you earn 10,000, the 50% you should use it for, you should spend it according to your daily needs. The 30% is some other needs that we need, and the 20%, 50, spend it on your daily needs, 30%, some other needs. That 20% we should always save. The 20% should be in our savings. Like that, when you go for a market, trading in the market, use this 20, 50, 30 and 20 rules. Use this 50% for a long-term investment. It may be shares or golds or silvers, long-term investment. Use this 50% for, it may be shares or other things. Use this 30% for a short-term investment like intraday trading, or a short-term investment for a BTST like this STBT, buy today, sell tomorrow, those stuffs. You can use those stuff for 30%. And the 20%, use it. That 20%, do not use it, just keep it aside. So if something bad happens, If the 80% goes lost, we can use that 20% to recover again. We can use that 20% to gain the amount which we lost. So always use the 50%, diversify this amounts. If you have 100%, diversify 50% to long term, 30% to short term, and 20% for your savings. Don't use that. If the market, if anything happens, we can use the 20% to auto regain the amounts that we lost. This is the third rule. And the fourth rule, which goes according to the third rule: don't trade without a proper risk management. As much as the money management is required, risk management is also a key factor. If you go into a trading, use some risk management. The best risk advice I can give you is, if you have a 100%, let's say 1 lakh account, do not use more than 5% of your account for a single trade. For example, if you have 1 lakh, use only 5,000 as a risk for a single trade. Don't use above that. Maybe if you are a big trader, go for 5 to 10%, not above that. If you have 1 lakh, go for 5,000. If you want to go maximum, we can go for 10,000. Do not take risk more than the 5 to 10,000 in one trade. Do many trades. It is better always do to many trades and gain knowledge instead of losing all the money in one trade. If you do many trades, you will gain many knowledges. You will see many stuffs that you missed before. So the fourth thing is, do not trade without proper risk management. And the fifth one is, don't trade in the opening of the market. Many people have this thinking: if the market opens at the 9:30, I will enter in the market at 9:30. I will buy at 9:30. I will sell at 9:30. No, we cannot do like that. We should wait when the market gives us the entry. If the market gives us the entry at 10:30, we should go at that time only. If the market gives us the entry at 1:30, we should wait for that entry. After that entry, go for that entry. We used to always say, buy at low price and sell at high price. We cannot say when the low price will come or when the high price will come. So wait for that low price. It may be 12:30, it may be 1:30, it may be 1 o'clock. I don't know. When the market gives you the low entry, go for buy, or when the market gives you the high entry, go for sell. Don't always think I will go. When the market opens, I will enter into the market. No, the market does not work like that. Wait for the perfect entry. Wait for the perfect time. After the market has given you the perfect entry, go for it. So these are the 5 things that we should not do in the market when entering into the market. Don't go according to your intuitions. And when you trade, always put the stop loss. Always use a proper money management, and always use a proper risk management, and don't enter when the market opens. So these are the 5 things. We have many more things to come. I will try to update in the next video. If you want to learn those things about how to trade in the market, how to buy, how to sell, where to buy, where to sell, we teach those stuffs for the people. You can enroll for that. We have the number. We can contact the number below in the scroll. We have classes in Bangalore. So people who wanted to come to Bangalore, they can come directly to Bangalore and have this classes, learn these things, how we should do the technical analysis, what are the fundamental analysis, what we should do, what we must not do. We also teach those stuffs. We have classes in Chennai, Coimbatore and Bangalore. These are the 3 branches we have currently. And we have also the online class. Those people who cannot come to the office can enroll for these online classes. And we have big weekend batches also. We can also contact this number for the details. If you want classes in English, you can call this number and request. They will provide you what the days are for the English classes. If you want in an English language, we can call this number and they will give you all the details. So I think this video was useful to you. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.